College is often described as preparations for life. But between lectures and deadlines, many questions remain unanswered. Some time ago, we listened to alumni who once stood where we are now, students carrying doubts, expectations, and dreams. Their stories made us look more closely at our own journey. So before we imagine what comes after graduation, we began where it all starts, as students.
As students of National University, we often think that life truly begins after graduation. However, after listening to the alumni talk, we realize that the future we imagine as alumni is already being shaped by our experiences today. The alumnus reminded us that college is more than just academics. It is a training ground for our values. Through deadlines, exams, and responsibilities, we are learning integrity, discipline, and resilience. Every challenge we face as students prepares us for the realities of the professional world. The talk also emphasized courage, especially during internships and the transition from school to real life. Hearing how overwhelming the first steps were, yet how perseverance led to growth, encouraged us to face our own fears as students. Even now, courage means trying, failing, and continuing despite uncertainty. We're also reminded that education teaches us to care not only for ourselves, but for others and for our country. By staying informed, engaging in discussions, and being socially aware, we're already practicing the values we will carry beyond college. Most importantly, the alumnus taught us that everything is an experience and a learning opportunity. Whether we succeed or struggle, each moment contributes to our growth. As we imagine ourselves as future alumni of National University, we hope to look back knowing that our student journey shaped not only our careers but also our character.
College life is often imagined as a time of freedom, fun, and high spirited independence compared to high school. However, the reality hits when schoolwork piles up, deadlines never seem to end, and procrastination becomes a daily battle. Balancing academics with part time work, household chores, and personal responsibilities makes life feel overwhelming at times. Finding leisure time feels like a luxury, often squeezed between exhaustion and unfinished tasks. Despite these challenges, college life teaches us discipline, time management, and perseverance that shape who we become.
My life after college, I could see myself in two different ways, such as becoming a CPA or certified public accountant and a national team athlete. After I graduate, I want to pass the board exam and become a licensed CPA. And after I become a CPA, I want to teach younger accountancy students who also wants to become a CPA in the future so that I could help them reach their dreams. And next, being a national team athlete, I want to continue competing in international competitions such as Southeast Asian Games, and many international competitions hosted by Taekwondo. And I could see myself valuing two Nationalian core values, which is integrity in being honest and fair in accountancy works, and patriotism, which is me fighting and representing the Philippine flag in international competitions.
So after graduating as an accountant student, I started working as a junior accountant in a company, and I was able to use what I learned in college, such as preparing financial reports and handling basic accounting tasks. This helped me gain a lot of experience and confidence. And after college, I faced a lot of challenges, such as heavy workloads, tight deadlines, and adjusting to a work professional environment. At first, managing my time and handling stress were difficult, but slowly I learned how to cope. And an alumni gave me an advice, and it helped me stay motivated and realistic. Their stories taught me to work hard and stay patient and keep learning. This prepared me to face challenges with a positive mindset. And I would say college helped me become more responsible and disciplined. It taught me time management, teamwork, and problem solving, which prepared me for real life work situation.
After college, life no longer comes with deadline written on a syllabus. There are no rubrics, no sample answers, only choices we must learn to stand by. As we imagine ourselves beyond graduation, we realize that many of life lessons begin quietly, long before success becomes visible. Listening to alumni did not give us a fixed path, but it allowed us to see that uncertainty is a shared experience. Each journey unfolds differently, shaped by timing, effort, and the courage to keep going. For now, we are still students, still learning, still becoming. But one day, we will return not just with titles or achievements, but with stories that reflect who we became along the way. This is us, imagining ourselves as future alumni.